Charlotte is your final destination. That will be baggage claim C1. Looks like lots of people are connecting today. You can check the status and the gate of your